Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I shop my closet for this winter season. And I'm going to show you guys that you can use these pieces that you have in your closet to look classy, elegant, and know how to put a fit together, okay? Let's dive right in. For the first outfit, it's very simple but also classic. You can never go wrong with a mini black skirt with a cute little slit on the side and a white tee. Now with this, I would kind of, make it a little bit more oomph by like unbuttoning one more button and using a little baby pin right here to kind of, give a little bit of pizzazz even more with the sleeves, and wearing like a beautiful like long necklace or like cute little choker. So we're gonna leave it open for now to kind of give it that effect. And to pair this outfit, you can never go wrong for the wintertime, the holidays, with a nice pair of red heels. I thrifted these heels from Goodwill, and they are Steve Madden heels. These are suede, and it matches my skirt, which is kind of like a suede velvety kind of vibe. Okay, so this is the full outfit. Look at this cute little red pump situation going on. I think this is super, super cute for the winter time. Cute little office party, date night, girls night, whatever night. I think this is absolutely stunning. Out on to outfit number 2. All right, so this is the second outfit. Y'all, I absolutely love this outfit. This is way more like me because I like, nice casual, baggy, but also fitted too. So this shirt, y'all, I got it from Walmart, and when I tell you, I struggled so hard in figuring out how to style this. And then of course I was scrolling through my favorite thing ever, which is Pinterest, and I do also have a Pinterest, and I'll put that down below. And I saw this girl, she styled something similar to this. I was like, oh yeah, I'm recreating that because I have every single piece in my closet. So I got this from Walmart. It's so, so cute. I love this shirt. And I have this tank top here. It's from A Good American. I love this tank top. It's really nice and fitted. It's so, so adorable. These jeans are from Target. I have, I like the little slit that it has right here. And of course I paired it with some stockings underneath because it's the winter time, babes. We're not gonna go outside and be cold. I have low iron, so I can't be cold. And this cute little denim vest I got from No Style Fashion. I'll also tag them down below. And I have my booties. Oh yeah. Those black booties, I also thrifted them from Goodwill. Y'all, this is like an affordable fashion kind of a thing, okay? If you have high fashion items that are similar to this, feel free to wear them. But this is for my low budget girlies, okay? Use what you got in your closet, babes, and I promise you, you're gonna look this good. So I love this outfit. This is way more me, and it's comfortable, it's cute, it's high fashion, it's street style. It's all of those things that you want it to be because you are wearing it, okay? Guarantee you are going to slay the streets in this outfit, okay? Let's move on to outfit number. This is look number 3, y'all. Listen, I was not sure how this was going to turn out, but I'm eating. I'm just saying. So this is from Zara. It's a shirt, but obviously I tied it together, made a cute little bow, made a cute little knot right here. It's like pleather, so I absolutely love this for the winter time. I love the color. It looks so, so good. And kind of high-waisted it to show the waist. Okay, these cargo pants I got from a Walmart, and I love the color. I love this color combo for the winter time, for the fall time. It is so, so good, especially for my melanated girlies. I'll probably pair these with these really cute bronze heels. Also thrifted. Listen, if you haven't realized this by now, I absolutely love thrifting, okay? So I will thrift literally any piece because the girls be leaving some good pieces, and I'm going to buy them at a very much discounted price because why not? So I would pair it with this, and this looks so good. And obviously gold jewelry, y'all. This outfit is 10 out of 10. It looks so, so good. perfect for the winter time. This is like a date night outfit. So if y'all see me on the socials with this outfit again, mind your business, okay? So let's move on to the next outfit. All right, so this is outfit number 4. This is super cute and simple. You know, I want to give you guys a little bit of, you know, variety, because, you know, we're all different. We all have different styles, and I just want to kind of cater to everybody, okay? Because yes, I like certain things, but I dress on how I feel and not what's trending, because what's trending might look good on you, but on my black curvy body that birthed 3 kids, it will not look good on me. So this top here is from Banana Republic. It's this beautiful navy top, and I paired it with this satin skirt that I got from Target. I love a good little satin silk skirt moment, and it has a cute little slit action right here, okay? Kind of give, you know, the girls a little va-va-voom. And one thing that y'all should know about me is that I love a high-waisted moment. I am 5'3", 5'4" on a good day, amen. So I like a nice little high-waisted moment, and I think my body type is like pear-shaped apple. I'm not sure what fruit it is, but as long as it's the fruit of the spirit, amen, if that's all that matters. So, you know, I like to do like a high-waisted moment. You know, my waist is like here-ish, so, you know, kind of give that little curves, skirt. So I paired it together, but the star of the show for this outfit is not just the top and the bottom. It's these heels that, once again, I thrifted. Y'all, me and Goodwill are like this, okay? So these shoes are from 9 West, okay? I don't remember how much I got it for, but I love this, and it matches my shirt so nicely. I love the different textures that it gives for this outfit, and it just looks so good, because when you are wearing a silk satin skirt, you gotta wear it with heels, because it just makes, you know, you look a little bit elevated, and I absolutely love it. I love this color combo, and if you guys didn't know, yes, pink and blue go together very well, and I love this outfit. Okay, I'm definitely going to run this back again as well. So if you see this, mind your business. Thank you very much. We're gonna go into the final outfit. So who said that you cannot wear snakeskin all year round? I need to find out who they are, and you arrest them immediately, because this outfit is the one for me, okay? So now snakeskin I absolutely love, because it's just so much fun, and you could dress it up and dress it down. So I kind of do like a mixture of both here. Okay, so I could take off this cute little crop top, kind of leave it like this, cute little sexy moment, okay, put it on, okay, and kind of give cute casual, and of course wear it either with a heel or a boot. So now snakeskin and red go together real bad, so I'm probably gonna pair it with my red Steve Maddens that I previously showed y'all, to kind of give it like extra little va-va-voom, and pair it with a red lip. So this is just the base of the outfit. So this skirt, I've had it for years. I believe I bought it from Shein a while ago, okay? And it still fits, because I love the stretch that it gives. Okay, this tank top, I believe I got it from Marshall's. I love a good black bodysuit. And this cropped little blazer thing is from No Style Fashion. I absolutely love this outfit, y'all. And this is it. Okay, this is what I got in my closet. This is Shop My Closet Winter Edition, okay? So, like I said previously in the beginning, you don't need to spend a lot of bank to look good, okay? All of these pieces I've had for years, and all you gotta do is mix and match it to have a good outfit, okay? So let me know down in the comments which outfit is your favorite, and what you would change, what you wouldn't change, and yeah, see you guys in my next video. I love y'all.